He'll sit here all day.
Oh wait, is the timer running?
No, it makes me sad.
Oh, technically I have a timer on the video.
It is.
That is the right angle.
Sorry, time's up. Time's up.
$2,000 suspension.
Nice. 20 seconds.
I think it was 25. 25.
I got 4:39.
Well, I gave him 6 minutes.
21 minutes. So that's 21 seconds.
Showing off how you flex like a dead hooker.
21 seconds.
That was awesome.
A tweaked out hooker, what?
She is the mistress for a reason.
I thought she was the bitch.
Touch the rock.
You touch the rock and go. Once you touch a rock.
Yeah.
You didn't get anywhere. So you are funny. And I worked at.
That's gonna be tough to climb up.
No, that's awesome. Once it engages, it'll stay there.
Yeah, you can get up over this.
I gotta feather the motor. See, my city does the same thing. Like, I've never felt that in no, because it's limited. When I hear it, slipping as I go on gravel roads, and when the gears are always together. It's a tight, limited slip.
That's fine.
Yeah, occasionally when I'm on a super
No smartass comments about 4 low or airing down tires?
He's only at a minute 40. Leave him alone.
At 4 minutes we can start testing.
Yeah, let the man have some peace, concentration.
Yeah, you want some money drunk for that.
Now you want to rub your sidewalk.
It's his first time on one of Nate's runs, I believe.
Right there. Do that?
It's your first time on one of Nate's runs.
You're shoving your hand in my throat. Get over right there. Yeah, buddy.
That looks like a turtle.
The big rock that caused bumping didn't help either.
As somebody who's done it multiple times today, I know the sound.
Nobody's catching us up.
So I said he's turtled. I've done it a lot today. It happens when you're on 31s. I don't know if you ever remember those days.
Yeah, I do.
Now come forward, passenger. Oh.
He's got a little over a minute left.
2 minutes.
That's a little over a minute.
What was Justin out? 29 seconds? 21 seconds.
You know, I don't care if it's rock or roll.
Justin, maybe move a little bit.
I don't care if it's like something like that. Keep that line. Up. Okay, come driver.
He needs that grand. Dustin, he's not a grand. He's not a grand.
It's a unibody. It's all the same family.
Right, but are they the exact same dimensions? Bingo.
He is on this side. He's dragging on this side.
Damn stackers.
Yeah, let's get the stacks out of it. 1 minute.
Good.
One more pass. Go, go. He only has a minute.
Great job, Trip. I got you on video. Good job.
Aren't you supposed to unstack your stack?
Yes, but my question is, that's totally optional. It's not like you even need to do it. There's that, there's this. So why stack it? Try it. If you don't make it, don't stack it.
Some of it could be runoff. Some of it could be.
That's pretty filled.
No, I said some of it.
Some of it, no, that's pretty filled.
Did you pause his time?
No.
You should pause his time.
When he gets down to 2 minutes, doesn't it pause when there's no play?
It was down in a minute when he decided
The
to
clock didn't stop. I got one chance. One shot it, baby.
Of course, now Jess is like, damn it, now it's all in. They unstacked it.
Yeah.
It was a nice try, Melanie. I really hope he edits out the sound. It'll come up like 2 inches, then fall. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I feel like if I were to just reach up and
Next year, Callum.
that's how I do it. Your bumper's taking a nice trouble, man. You could try Travis's line and just fucking shoot straight through the shit over there.
You can have Nate 5 minutes.
All the kids are running that now, Nate. Did you really just say it cures death wobble?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You know, Trip just care.
Don't watch that. Don't watch it.
They gotta unstack it. I don't care. I'm surprised Travis isn't screaming that he's over 5 minutes.
What are you doing?
I know. I was like waiting for Trip to see that. Wait a minute, I just got rid of those.
Make that stack perfect for him. One shot.
The thing I said he's been turtling this whole time, Melanie? The thing I said he's been turtling this entire time? Yeah. Yeah. The rock didn't clear it?
Good try. Back it up.
Back it up, back it in. Let me begin.
Next year.
Nate's going to turn 40 for the 70th time.
Yep, come back next year. It's my turn this year.
Wait, what's your turn?
I turned 40 this year.
Do you really?
We're going on a cruise. We're good.
You're like, none of this wheeling shit. I want a real vacation. Oh, Facebook hasn't told me again that I know you. I might know you.
Oh, really?
Next time it tells me I might know you, I'm totally sending you.
Get him off.
Well, no, I didn't send you a request.
I'll donate my 4 minutes.
I think he already used your 4 minutes.
That was 10 minutes.
And then some.
Snap.
Yeah. He already used some of Nate's too.
Oh, that's okay. It's his bumper.
Light bar's replaceable.
I was going to donate mine to Steve.
You know Steve's taking the bypass.
Steve should at least go down there
Take the
on the
bypass
step.
and like, what the
What?
crap? I know. Steve's going on the obstacle?
What? Did you have a fever that day, Steve?